Now Compeed introduces Cold Sore Patch, the first invisible patch for cold sores. Works instantly, giving quick healing invisibly. So go on, get a little closer. Compeed Cold Sore Patch, the quick way to treat cold sores invisibly.
This is ITV1. We apologise for the technical difficulties, and we are working tirelessly to correct the fault. Normal programming will be back as soon as possible. In the meantime, please wait and enjoy some music. You are watching ITV1. We have some important news to share with you all. Approximately at 10:30 at night, a fair amount civilians of London have been seen to be showing extremely disturbing behaviour, which is considered to be abnormal. At the moment, it is currently unknown what is causing people to act in such a way, but these actions spotted around the city include, but are not limited to, very violent behaviour, loud screaming, aggressive biting and self-harming. People who have these symptoms are a severe threat to human life, and everybody inside London at the moment should exercise swift caution. During this event, you must remain indoors. The police are diligently patrolling the city, looking for anything out of the ordinary, and also have been authorised to use lethal force on anybody who does now follow lockdown. You shall stay stationed inside your homes until the all-clear has been given. All civilians now should take necessary steps to ensure their safety. You are advised to close any windows, doors, or any other possible entrances to your home. To reduce your chance of being seen by anything non-human, you must turn off all screens and lights in your home. This emergency broadcast shall stop transmitting for your safety. We will proceed with our regular programming once it is safe to do so. Please remember, stay calm and stay safe.
I know what you've been doing.
Wait, what the fuck was that?